welcome, Julie Cube here. I'm working on this 50 by 55 canvas and I am actually working with colours that my 2.5-year-old grandchild picked out for me. So I'll just show you the colours that she wanted, like pinks and greens. She calls me Gigi. So the different greens, couple of different greens, metallic, rose, and this was red that I added some gold into it, metallic gold, so it's made it really shimmery. And I did the opposite with the copper. I added red to the copper. And this lovely, I can't remember the flower she called it, pink, but it's metallic. I added silver to that. So we did some custom colours, talking about it to a 2.5-year-old. She's pretty smart and she can pretty much tell you absolutely what she wants for sure. So I'm going to do those colours. When I asked her what colour should Gigi do, she said those colours, so that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do a split composition. I am going to split my composition, but how? Okay, I might go white here. It's boring, I know, but hopefully the other side. White in this corner. Make sure I put plenty on there. So hopefully if this looks nice, it will go in a room where my darling, all of my granddaughters stay. Now this is a nice peppermint green. I can't remember what the name of it was. I'll find it. It's a global colour. It's a little bit thick, isn't it? Wow. I like working with thicker paints. I seem to get better results from them. So we'll see how we go with this one. I'm going to start off with the sponge brush, just brushing it all in first. So I'll zip past the boring bits. Well, I've got a bit too much paint on there, like I always do, so I'm going to try and soak some of it up with my sponge brush and put it back into my paint cup so it doesn't get wasted. I'm going to beautiful colours actually. Lovely, lovely. Light one. I do not think I better put all these colours in. It's going to be a bit too much, I think, so I might have to, like, that's a lovely metallic rose. I've got the sun coming through my windows and I've got no blinds or curtains in this particular studio I'm working in today, so sorry if it's looking odd. It's the sun. It's actually beautiful to have such lovely weather in our winter. Okay, this is like that metallic, it was cool red with I think I put, oh, what did I say I put in it? I don't know if I put silver or gold in it. I think it was the gold. Okay, I'm not going to put any more on. I have got a few colours there. I don't want to put them all on. Let's just see. Otherwise it's just going to be too much. Let's just see how we go with those. Give it a whiz over. Let me get it untangled. Try the new pinky one. It's a Wahl one, a new hairdryer that I'm using. Just trying to get in practice for when my other one carks it, I guess. So I think I'm going to go from the middle out. Wow, that's flowing everywhere. Oh my goodness, that did not go well. It's just blown all the way off. That's a bit too berserk. Let me try it on very slow. That's better. At least you've got a bit of control. Now I'm going to have to try and do something with this craziness. I much prefer this side. I think I'm going to scrape that side off. Oh my goodness. Oh dear. So there's a lesson learned. Start off with your hairdryer on low. Do not be so confident with it on full blast that it's not going to go absolutely everywhere. I don't mind that bit. I can work with that, but just was not liking that other bit. We'll see anyway. Hopefully I can save it some way, so gives you guys an idea of what to do if this happens with you. Don't do what I do, that's for sure. Crazy GG. Right, I might just spread that one out with my spatula, the white. I know it's going to get all the colours in it, but I'm not going to worry too much. I'm not going to stress over it, which it's only paint. I know a lot of people come back at me and say, oh, it's so expensive. But it has a lot of pouring medium, but it's even more expensive if you end up throwing it out because you don't like the overall piece. So I'm gonna, you watch, this will look completely different to the other. I'm just gonna put a smaller amount, I guess. She said. Trying to do everything a bit slower now. They're going crazy. Did I put that very pale pink on top? I can't remember now. Oh. I don't know if I put this one. I'm not sure if I put this really rose pink in there. I didn't, did I? Anyway, gonna look a bit different then. Rightio, let's try this. Oh, wish me luck. Wish me luck. I'll put it on low. Yeah, I mean, I've got that that green in there as well, but that's okay. I can work with that, I think. I've got a bit too much paint there. I need to take some of that off. Oh, there you go. That's gonna, yeah. Hey, Mini Moo. Might try and blow that off. See how I go. Oh, probably really wreck it. I'm not having a good time of it today. I think I absolutely need to do, where's my potato balloon? I call it my potato balloon because it's deflated like a potato. So it's having potato kisses. I think I can soften it up and change the composition a fair amount by doing it this. I think this always softens it up for me, and it adds my signature to a piece instead of it looking like everybody's, you know, anybody's Dutch pour or chaos blow, as I like to call them, because mine are always chaos. Put a few little signature kisses in there. Yeah, it sort of makes it look like a Jilly Cubes instead of just anybody's, I guess. You try and put make your own little pieces that are uniquely you, I guess. I think that's looking a little better. I don't know, I'm not completely happy with it, but well, I'll send a photo down to Penny, Mum will show her, and if she goes, that's pretty, I'll keep it, if not, I'll scrape it. But you can leave it exactly like that. I was thinking of putting some of my circly thing through it when it's dry, so I might just do it to practice that on. Don't like that bit there, but they're lovely soft colours. Actually, they're beautiful colours together, and I don't know, there's something quite not right with it. I can't pinpoint it at this minute, but I'll go over it, check it, see what I feel, and what do you guys think? You let me know. Okay, my lovelies, I'm going to say goodbye now. And I hope you are all doing well. If you're feeling sad, lonely, depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, or definitely a helpline. There is always someone there for us all in time of need. Okay, bye for now. Okay, after it was dry, I did embellish it with these circle things just from a stencil circle thing. Not sure about it. What do you guys think? And of course I just put loads and loads more kisses and changed the composition a bit. I just didn't feel that there was enough in there. It looks more like me now, and I'm actually over the moon with it. I think I might just leave it like that.